Welcome friends to this new NPTEL course of Environmental Soil Chemistry. Myself Dr. Somshubra Chakraborty. I am an assistant professor in the Agricultural and Food Engineering Department of IIT Kharagpur. I did my PhD from Louisiana State University, United States, and I joined IIT in the year 2016. Now, I have already offered an NPTEL course named Soil Science and Technology, which basically deals with different basic aspects of soils. So, in that course, we have already discussed different disciplines and subdisciplines of soil science, and we have talked about soil chemistry, pedology, soil classification. We have talked about different aspects of soil physics, soil fertility, soil testing, soil erosion and degradation, and we have also discussed different advanced and contemporary approaches of soil science. Now, in this course of environmental soil chemistry, we are going to discuss the details of different soil chemical process. We will be focusing only on soil chemistry and its environmental connotations. Now, what is the need of studying this course? Well, you know that information on the extent of soil pollution and its impact on other areas like and plant and human health is not complete and not fully understood. As far as India is concerned, you know that 60% of our geographical area is occupied by agricultural lands, and most of which are facing some forms of degradation. Now, whatever data of agricultural land degradation is available to us, they are mainly focusing on different types of physical processes like erosion, waterlogging, etc. So, if you see the total area under arable land which is under different types of degradation, we have around 104 million hectares of area in India. However, apart from soil salinity, there has not been any focus on other chemical aspects of soil pollution. So, that is why it is very necessary to understand different processes, different chemical processes which are involved in soil pollution and how to mitigate them. Just to give you an example, in Indian condition, you will see that the average concentration of an important pollutant, chemical pollutant called polychlorinated biphenyl, in short we call it PCBs. In Indian soil, its concentration is just double what we found in world and other areas. So, in Indian soil, we have seen that its concentration, average concentration is 12 nanogram per gram, whereas the world average is only 6 nanogram per gram. So, PCBs are very synthetic, they are synthetic organic chemical, they are used in different electrical equipments, adhesives, paints and several other products. And given this deleterious effect of PCBs, in April 2016, India said that the manufacturing and importing of PCBs will be banned after December 31, 2025. So, that is just giving you one example how these pollutants are vitiating our environment and also producing a huge amount of soil chemical degradations. So, there are lots of different types of chemicals which can pollute the soils, and as a soil scientist and budding environmental scientist and also marine geologist and also the students who are dealing with different geochemistry courses, they all need to know about these different types of soil chemical aspects and their relationship with the soil chemical pollution. Now, in this course, we are going to offer these new things. First of all, we are going to talk about the chemistry of inorganic and organic soil components in details. And also we are going to discuss about soil solution, solid phase equilibria. We are going to discuss about the sorption phenomena, kinetics of soil chemical process, redox reactions, soil pollution and pollutants, soil solution interactions. And finally, we are going to talk about the analytical techniques for assessing soil pollution. Now, remember that some topics will contain some problems and explanations of parameters and terms, and these should be very useful for the students who are taking their first course in soil chemistry. Remember that it is a comprehensive and contemporary course for undergraduate students in soil science as well as for the students of environmental chemistry and engineering and marine studies and geochemistry. So, we have carefully designed this course into 12 modules. Each module will be taught in each week. So, this is the list of the modules. So, first week we will be talking about evolution of soil chemistry. In the week 2, we will be talking about inorganic soil components in details like different primary minerals, secondary minerals, their structure. In the third week, we will be talking about chemistry of soil organic matter. In the fourth week, we will be talking about soil solution and solid phase equilibria and sorption in soils. In the week 5, we will be talking about ion exchange process. Week 6, we will be talking about kinetics of soil chemical process. Then week 7, redox chemistry of soils. Week 8, the soil pollutants. Week 9, pollutant soil solution interaction. Week 10, retention of pollutants on and within the soil solid phase. Week 11, we will be talking about modeling the fate of pollutants in the soil and then risk and remedies. And finally, in last week, week 12, we will be talking about analytical techniques for assessing soil pollution. So, each week will contain 5 lectures of half an hour, and my PhD student Ms. Shweta and Ms. Swagata will help you for weekly assignments, and I hope that this course will meet your expectations. So, please give proper focus in this different topics which we are going to talk about in this course, and also simultaneously you feel relaxed while taking the course, and feel free to send me any question, and I will be more than happy to answer your queries during the course. Thank you very much.